Say, uh-oh. He got away from you. He's not in the mood to play with that penguin. You just want to kick him? Yep, more interested in my remote. It came with the television. That's my speed, Mom. And so here's the little $2 toy from Goodwill that turned out it's $22 brand new. Don't you want to play with that? Don't you want to play with this? See, no, see what he has is the gaming tablets. Yep. Typical. Typical, huh? That's what I want. Give me what I want. Alright. Well, I know you're not in the mood for it. You gonna spin that? You know how to spin it. You just don't want to play with the penguin today, huh? No, I'm not in the mood. He just keeps staring at me. I don't know why. I don't know what he wants. Okay. All right. You gonna bite my leg? You gonna bite my leg? You just gonna kick him? You just gonna kick that penguin? Does he have a crazy little fin there? Yep, the remote is the toy that he wants. Okay. No? Alrighty. Well, I guess that's it. See you later.